Hi, I'm Rachael, a mom of 3 kids, Alex, Richie, and Ethan. We decided to leave our home country in the USA to travel the world, starting in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Join us on our fun, crazy, and average everyday lives while we journey around the world.
TravelKatzFamily.
Hi everyone, so today's Mother's Day and the kids made me a card, and now we're going to go to the Orchid Farm and the Mae Sa Waterfall. Is that what it's called?
Yes,
this is my
waterfall. Mae Sa Waterfall.
Yeah.
In the Marine.
Yeah, so we're gonna go there. So this is my friend now. We hired him to take us, so he's gonna take us there. So here we go. So first we're gonna go eat lunch. We haven't had lunch yet. Oh, there's a sign.
I think it means over the bridge.
I think the restaurant is over here.
Yeah, the arrow.
So we are now in the Orchid Farm. There's a little pond there. Now we're gonna find the restaurant. That's a coffee bar.
Coffee bar, so let's just keep going.
Is that the restaurant though?
Because it has the arrow pointed in it.
Okay.
Come on, Nancy, come on.
Is this it?
No, I think I'm here.
Okay, so that ended up just being like a coffee bar type thing that has like drinks and stuff like that. So we're looking for the buffet.
That's the waterfall, Mom.
Oh yeah.
The restaurant is this way.
At the buffet. Okay, so we finally found the little buffet here, and we're gonna have a buffet lunch for Mother's Day. So it's really a nice place.
After we finish eating, can we go to the butterfly farm?
Yeah. Yes, we're gonna look around after. Okay.
My flower piece fell off.
I know, his flower fell off. We all have like little flowers. It shows that we paid to get in.
Unfortunately, I just have a straw.
Yeah, and he just has a straw. So Alex and Ethan went to go get their food, and then after they get back, then Richie and I will get ours. Okay, so we got our lunch. Yum. We got a plate full of fruit, of pineapple, watermelon, and fried banana. There's Richie's. Yum. And there's mine. Yummy. And I got some iced cocoa.
Is it spicy?
It's Mother's Day, so I'm gonna splurge a little bit. Okay, now it's time to explore. The boys want to go to the butterfly exhibit. butterfly farm. This is kind of scary.
It's like you're going to a butcher shop and have those.
Yes. Oh.
Butterflies.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, what do they call it?
What?
And they're butterflies and they die.
Oh, gee. Oh, look at the pretty butterflies. Okay, there's like 2 snakes on the path. We don't know if it's poisonous or not, so let's try to stay away from them. Okay, go, go. Woo, go, Richie. Oh my gosh, seriously, that's so freaky. Is that fun, Ethan? They're all over. Thank you. Okay, so now we're in the orchid farm, and there's a whole bunch of different orchids. These are really pretty. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that spiky flower. Well, it's not spiky. I think it's just a whole bunch of petals. That's so cool. Okay, now we're over here at the monkey show. Over here. How much?
4.
Thank you.
Next student name is Toto, 7 years old.
Look at the monkey.
Nice to meet you. He's going shopping for coconut at the shopping center. Smart monkey, he will know how to count. Would someone please call a number between 0 to 9? He will now find your number. What number do you want? Number?
3.
3.
สวัสดีค่ะBye ขอบคุณค่ะ bye bye walk around and feed the monkey thank you ขอบคุณค่ะ
Here, Alex. Okay, so now we're gonna feed the monkeys. Oh, they're all tied up. That makes me sad a little bit. Hi, precious. Hi, honey. Do you want a food? Oh, poor thing. They're all tied up. Hi, baby. Oh, you just want to run around. Good job. Good job. You're so cute. You're so cute. I wish you didn't have to have a chain. I feel like it's sad. It's nice to see them, but I feel sad that they're chained up and stuff. It makes me sad. Okay, guys, are we done?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's go to the waterfall, what I've been wanting to see for a long time. Okay, so we saw the monkey show. We weren't planning on it, but the taxi driver kind of convinced us to. And I was kind of curious. It was a cute little show. I just kind of feel sorry for the monkeys because they're like, some of them are chained up on a short chain. And so it kind of makes me sad. I could tell they're kind of like stir crazy. And I don't know, I just kind of felt something for the monkeys. But okay, good. So we saw the sign and they get free rein after 5 p.m. So that's good. They don't have to stay in the cages after 5, so they get to have some free time. Okay, time to go. Here, let me see. Aww. How cute a baby. Isn't that cute, Ethan? Good job. Richie's turn.
Hello, how are you?
Can we touch?
Can.
Yeah, you can touch.
You touch.
Hungry.
มันขังคนนมนะ
Uh-oh. Hungry?
No.
There you go, sweetheart.
Yeah, you can
There you
touch.
go, sweetheart. You wanted some milk?
You make sure you like tilt it up so that the milk goes down to the bottle area. There you go.
So cute. Aww. Okay, so we're trying to get to the waterfall. The kids are really excited about possibly climbing on the waterfall rocks. There's a little swimming area with some rocks the kids can climb on. We're at least going to explore right here for now. The boys want to swim really bad, but I don't know if I want to let them.
What? Look at it!
pretty flower. Cold? Ethan!
Are you okay? Are you in pain?
So you're not supposed to go on that part. You're supposed to slide down.
Okay, so they're gonna go to a better water hole. Yeah, it's called a water hole, boys. They're laughing at me because I'm calling it a water hole. Go swimming over there. He can't get out. Oh my gosh. He can't get out. It's slippery.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want to. I can't even. Oh, what about that one? That one looks more like Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.